Bank. There was a con call that the chairman had held with some investors, and some of the key takeaways from that, it's actually not painting a very good picture for the stock going ahead. They'll be posting losses for the next couple of quarters as well for the entire FY17 and FY18. So a net loss expected on both the financial years. Also, sources tell us that the consolidation of their balance sheet may take another 4 to 6 quarters. So that's over a year. No dividend, of course, for the next 2 years. And the J&K government apparently is also been apprised of this situation. Abhishek, who has more on this now, joins in. Abhishek.
Yes, so as you clearly mentioned, over the next 4 to 6 quarters, what the management is looking is to consolidate its balance sheet as well as restructure the balance sheet. The recent times in J&K state has not been good. So their exposure of 16,000 crore in the state of J&K alone is under stress, out of which they expect restructuring of close to 10,000 crore of the book. Now, they expect RBI to soften up the restructuring guidelines for them, as the state has been through variety of problems in the recent past. So apart from that, the rest of India business, they will not continue to grow as they are consolidating their balance sheet. So they expect 10 to 12% growth in their rest of India business, while they will continue to grow the J&K state book, because they are a high margin business. The J&K state itself provides a higher margin to them, as CASA ratio is on the higher side. They expect Q3 onwards the pain to come into the balance sheet. So major pain will not come in Q2, but from Q3 onwards. And in the next 2 quarters is what the management has mentioned, that they'll have a clear picture after 2 quarters in terms of the balance sheet and its pain. Moreover, they have mentioned that they have no plan to alter their J&K state strategy, and they'll continue lending in the state. Rest of India, they have mentioned that they'll moderate. They intend to raise 1,000 crore of capital over the next 2 quarters. They have taken consultants on board for restructuring of these assets. They wish to make disclosures at appropriate time to investors, and that is why they have come out with this con call to investors.
All right, Abhishek, thanks very much.